A lot of lectures, even if they do come with hands-on projects, they're not really in an interactive situation. They're not something where you can explore on your own. And the Virginia Cyber Range and Cyber Fusion as itself is wonderful for figuring out exactly how things are going to work in the real world.
I've had a lot of chances to try new things and different challenges that I typically don't find in a lecture, since lectures are less hands-on, and this has been a lot more hands-on and figuring things out, so I've quite enjoyed it.
Yeah, so designing the challenges, it's like a little bit of both, like looking at already made solutions of other challenges. Then like when designing them, you kind of want to still steer towards like a specific concept, gather more evidence like for you to learn. So you want to like make challenges so you can also learn too. And like for example, like reverse engineering, like if you don't know much about this tool, you can research it and make a question about that tool. So it's kind of like a learning process.
It's been phenomenal being able to see what's out there and being able to test my mettle, dare I say, and be able to solve all sorts of challenges. And it's been great exposure into the workforce, and it's given me a lot of confidence for job interviews and events like this.